Welcome back to Jotech TV. Today we have a very special installment with you as I'm here with Wilfredo, one of our very special members of the Jotech family. We are with his McLaren 720S that makes buku power. I've seen the thing on the drag strip before. I have never seen it on the road course. Today he invited me out to COTA. We're going to be running this bad boy right here, as well as Christian's 488. If you guys follow our Instagram, you've already seen both of these cars, but neither of them on the track quite yet. So let's go and see how they perform. Wilfredo, my man.
Hi, how's it going?
Dude, thank you so much for having me out today.
Thank you.
Tell us, so we're out at COTA today. What type of event is this?
This is an event from Edge Addicts, so it's a private group that they come and pretty much run the track, half space between how good you are at the track, so you have beginner, intermediates, advanced, and so forth, and just teach people how to drive at the track. It's not a race, so it's more about you getting comfortable with the car. So
I think you were trying to switch out your tires for the track day today, but you were unable to find some lugs.
Unfortunately, yes. We got the HREs, the beautiful street tires, but I wanted to try some slicks, so I got some fin speeds and some slicks. Unfortunately, we just found out that the lock nut is not the same one, so they're not entirely compatible. They can fit this in, but it's not safe to do so, especially if the car's gonna be swinging and moving and those kind of stuff at the track. You don't want to take a risk, so we're just gonna save the tires, procure the right lock nuts, and then get back to it at a later time. Definitely.
Today it's like 40 degrees today. It's really cold out, which is good for the turbos in the car, not so good for the tires. So I imagine that's why you were looking for the slicks.
I was trying to warm them up. I mean, the other ones are fine. It's just more street tires. So yeah, yesterday we drove in the rain. It was very nice. Nice in the case that you get good pictures, not very good for the times, but today's way drier. Like you said, the tires are going to take a little bit of time to heat up. The slicks don't necessarily heat up faster, but definitely once they do heat up, they have way more grip. Hey, it'll be fun. Either way, I'm not trying to come here for a trophy. I'm just trying to come to have fun and learn more about the car. We never stop learning.
Well, I imagine that car is a lot of fun on its own. Tell me a little bit about this McLaren 720. What do you have done to it?
Well, it's Jotech Stage 3, but it's supposed to be close to or 1100 horsepower at the wheel and race gas, which I'm not pushing yet because the cars, I'm still trying to learn it. So it does well, E85 and premium gas as well. So we got 5 or 6 different tunes. It has bigger turbos, CCU from M Engineering, and a bunch of Arrow body kits from I think Morningstar is the main one. But yeah, no, the car looks fantastic, drives terrific.
Well, I saw it in the shop the other day. I know it looks good and it sounds good. I'm curious to see how good it goes around this track.
Yeah, we'll take you out for a lap for sure.
You mind if we strap some cams to the outside and give our viewers a very interesting view of the track?
Sure, go for it.
Let's make it happen.
Thank you.
Loading track.
madman.
Yeah, there was one more lap, but I had 10% fuel.
Yeah, I saw the light come on.
Yeah, with the movement, there's a chance that we might get out of fuel for 1 second and it might stop the car.
Yeah, we don't want that. I cannot believe how much grip this thing has on street tires.
Yes. That's what I was
nuts.
looking forward to, the slicks. The slicks I would have gone way faster.
Yeah.
Because I finally got the grip on this car to learn how to push it without upsetting. The first time it was a mess.
That is just mind-boggling. I've never experienced anything like that before in my entire life.
Glad you like it.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was nuts.
Glad you like it.
Man. All right, so if you guys follow our Instagram, you have seen Christian before in his beautiful 488 that we did an exhaust and tune on. We also did the Guess the Dyno wanted. I think this will air after we already announced the winner. 655 to the wheels. Let's see how he's driving today. Christian, my man, how's it driving today?
Doing good, man. Just having fun here at the track, enjoying the car. Thank you, Jotech, for all the good work you guys do out there.
Heck yeah, man. Hey, is this your first time out here on the track?
This is actually my second time out here, and now the car runs a lot better than the first time for sure that we were here, so it's awesome to be here.
Well, it's making quite a bit more power than it was your first time out.
A lot more for sure. A lot more for sure, so it feels good. It runs pretty good. Track is nice and dry today, so it's pretty good.
It's like 40 degrees out, which is good for the turbos, not so good for the tires. You finding traction?
Yeah, a little bit of traction. Not the best compared to when it's hot, but for the turbos, yes, there's a good power out there in the car, so it's running pretty smooth.
Well, so for the viewers that are curious out there, you mind taking us for an onboard view of a couple laps?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Tell us whose gloves those are.
I'm a very lucky guy. So on the last Formula One race, we were here, we attended the event, and after the event was done, we stayed over there by Lewis Hamilton's garage, and his mechanics came over and gave me this pair of gloves. So, you know, it's like my lucky charm over here at the track, so it's pretty amazing.
Yeah, hopefully you got some Lewis Hamilton magic in those things.
Hopefully, huh?
Loading track. Driver pass. Driver pass.
Second day of racing, and COTA, Chris and I did, I think, pretty good. The cars behaved very well. We're about getting ready to leave. Drove in, and now we're driving the back. No trailer needed, so we're very happy about it. No accidents, no issues. Cars behave very good. Hopefully the drivers can get better, so we can keep learning about these beautiful machines. Thank you to everybody. Thank you to Jotech, really, for getting the car ready on time, and for putting a beautiful piece of machinery in our hands. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Stop that. Yeah, I hear 'em chatting the noise.